can you share with us if there's any product launches that actually fail, or your initial expectation was really high but it really fall flat or on your expectation, and how do you recover from that?
Yeah, I think this question came at a really good time because we just ended a failed campaign. Yeah,
Okay.
like it's perfect timing. Yeah. So this product is actually a knife. I think you have seen the knife
Yes.
before. I showed it to you before. Yeah. So we did a Kickstarter campaign for it. It's a new product, so we decided to go on the Kickstarter route just to test out the market whether they like it or not. So when we launched the knife, the response was really good. We sold like 1,200 pieces in just like 15-20 days. But that's where the problem came. So just maybe a couple of days after we launched the campaign, we found the same knife on Amazon.
Wow. Okay.
So this is a very typical thing that happened to people working with factories in China for the very first time. So knife is not our core competency. Watches are, we are very confident of our supplier, but knife, we are really exploring something different. So this time round, we trust a company from China to make their knife, and unfortunately, they decided to play us out.
Right. Okay.
So the knife was on the campaign on Amazon, and then people was asking us, but we were really honest with them. We tell them what happened and stuff. We did changes to the knives, and we people know that the knife that we did was actually a prototype July, August last year. So they know the process, they follow the process. They know the factory played us out. We had no choice but to change the design and then try to continue the campaign. However, just before the end of the campaign, the factory decided to say that, hey, we are not going to make the knife for you anyway, even though we copied you.
Wow.
So we have no choice. We have to cancel the campaign. A very first product to knife and we sold so well in such a short time, and we have to cancel. That is like really disappointing for the team. We raised like about $70,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I didn't know this happened to you guys. And so because knife of course is a new product, so you end up having to find a new supplier for that, and that supplier end up you previously doesn't have this relationship with this knife supplier, I suppose.
Correct.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, they were really professional in the way they handle the whole prototyping process, the manufacturing process. So we were really confident with them to go down the Kickstarter route and to launch the campaign before we actually have the knife on hand. So unfortunately we got played out.
Wow. Okay. Is this something that happens quite often, or is this actually the first time you got infringed by your IP by a factory?
It's the first time that happened to myself. But if you look online and stuff, hundreds and hundreds of Kickstarter campaigns have been plagued by this problem.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really a draw of luck, like if they decided to play you out, you can't sue them, Yeah, being a startup, you don't have the financial capability to sue them or do anything. In fact, like I tried to file a complaint to the platform, and they just can't do anything about it. Just like too bad. Like the good thing is we got back our deposit.
Okay.
So that is one blessing, right? At least we actually placed the deposit for the production already.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. But I guess in a very ironic way, it also shows that your product is really good, that a factory would want to copy it, right? So
yeah.
If it's something
that's always a good thing.
Yeah, if it's something that they don't believe in, then maybe they won't go to the trouble of trying to play you out, I guess.
Yeah. Like they say, right? Imitation is the best form of flattery.
Yeah.
So
I guess congratulations to you.
Yeah, but we're working on it again. We are looking for a new supplier. We don't give up just like that, because we already have a core like 1,000 over people waiting to buy our knives. When we cancel the campaign, like people were really happy. The comments were like, "Oh yeah, you guys are so honest," and then you would rather not take the money than to take the money and try to find a new supplier.
Yep.
So that's one thing that I think we get out of this campaign.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Just maintaining your reputation in the market.
Yeah, I think that's very important. You know, it takes a long time to build a reputation. We took 2 to 3 years to build up this reputation of making good quality product, and we're not going to just throw it away over $70,000. You know, of we're not sure whether we can make that product.
Right. Okay. Definitely.